How to remove facial verification in Binance. So first of all, launch the Binance application. And then log into your account. Now you have set up a facial verification in your Binance. Now you have changed your mind to remove your facial verification. But unfortunately, due to the security reason of Binance application, you won't be able to remove the facial verification in Binance. Binance won't allow you to remove your facial verification because facial verification is for to upload a document and to let Binance know that you are the real owner of your document. So Binance will need to verify your face. If Binance wouldn't verify your face, then anyone could have access to your Binance account or your document. So to protect your Binance account or your document, Binance won't allow you to remove the facial verification. Binance uses your facial verification to check whether the document photos matches with the photos that you have provided during the verification process. So with that on your mind, you will not be able to remove the facial verification in Binance. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. And thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.